Alright, today we're working on a machine here. Yeah, me and my cousin here, Romain, you know you go.
Yeah.
Right, and you know it's Mr. Fix It. Alright, so what happened now? It's not going in wash, okay? So I figured out the problem. This spring right here that I have in my hand, it has been broken. So it should have a next end like this with a hook on it, and as you can see the rust on it, so rust built up on it and got it so corroded it broke. So it's coming from here, so I'm gonna sort this out and then hook it back in. Alright, and the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna replace this belt because it has a little gap inside of it. Piece of it has broken off, so we already taken off the clips of drain. This is the drain pump here, so I'm gonna shift it sideways. Alright, there we go. Alright, so the drain pump is there. Alright, so I'm gonna take the belt off. Good. Alright, there you go. So I'm gonna show you. There it is. So you see this gap right there. It has broken there and it's broken there, and it has a lot of broken right around, and that part is missing out of it. So you know this is not good. This is finished. So we have a replacement. Got a replacement today, and hold this for me. That is the new replacement. As you can see, let me check the serial numbers on it and see if it's the right thing. Alright, turn it to the green part. Good. So as you can see, it's 923 right there. So it matches. It's the right thing. Alright, so that's a plus right there again. Alright, so we're gonna put back on that, and I'm gonna deal with the spring and put it back on, and the job is finished right there. The machine is brand new again. Alright, give me a moment. Alright, so Romain has put on the belt. Now I have to bring him in the trade. So alright, Romain, look what you're gonna do now. Look. We have to put back this, right? The belt. This brace the belt, right? So brace the belt on it and then put it around this. Go on. You understand me? Carry on everything now. No, everything. Carry on everything. Brace it on it. You understand me? And then this will lock back round on that. You understand? Yeah. Alright. Do it the other way. Hold on. Good. Alright, put it on back of Mr. This is